don't know who needs to hear this today, but if it's you, I just want you to know that it's never too late to start over and put your fears aside of being judged, of being looked at funny, and get back into a movement that is comfortable for you and that will help you have a healthier life. Now, I started going back to the gym in August and it was super hard, guys. I am not going to lie and say that this was easy. I've been out of the gym for a while, but I decided it was time to take a chance on myself and do better for myself. So I started eating better. I started doing the 12-3-30, which was a 12 incline, 3 speed, 30 minutes. And after I dropped 30 pounds, it became easier for me to start interval running again. I haven't done interval running since university, so it's been a long time coming, but I want you guys to know that you don't have to have fancy equipment, fancy matching gym fits to just want to take health more seriously, guys. I love you and I'm here to support you guys. I want to show you that there's a lot of us out here who are struggling on the low key in the gym 4 times a week, putting in that work, and it takes a long time. It doesn't happen overnight. So I know you can do it because I've done it, and if I can do it, you can do it too. So you got this, ladies. I'm with you on this.